Hey guys, we're getting ready for cooking with Miss J's kids. Today we have Kayla, and she's going to tell you what you need to get ready for this recipe.
Okay, well, the first ingredient you're going to need is slices of bread, and so I have me here some sunflower bread. Second one is extra virgin olive oil. You're going to need some mozzarella cheese. It says shredded, but I like big chunky cheese.
So that's sliced fresh mozzarella.
Yep. I've got my sliced tomato here.
Get permission to cut up your tomato, or
Yeah,
have an adult do it for you.
Okay, there's salt.
Any salt will do.
I have a cutting board, my pastry brush,
You forgot one of your ingredients.
my basil leaves, very important.
And then the cooking equipment you need, she's going over. You need a cutting board.
Yep, cutting board, pastry brush.
The pastry brush you need because you need to get oil all over the bread. If you don't have a pastry brush, just think about how you'll get oil on the bread. You could use a paper towel. You need to oil your bread.
You need a pan. We need a smaller lid that goes inside the pan. You probably need these, safety first, people. Spatula and a knife. But again, make sure your parents are with you.
All right, so gather those materials and then we'll get started.